You've spent hours perfecting your Jira configuration in a sandbox. Now comes the stressful part, moving it to production. Manual migrations are a recipe for human error, but to automate the process, your sites need a way to talk to each other securely. That's where the API token comes in. Think of it as a secure, digital handshake. It allows Configuration Manager for Jira Cloud to deploy your settings without ever needing to store your personal login credentials. First, let's grab your key. Head over to your Atlassian account settings, create a new API token, give it a memorable label, and assign an expiration date, if necessary. Copy that token immediately. For your security, Atlassian won't show it to you again once you close this window. Now, back in the Configuration Manager authorization settings, paste your token and click Save. That's the green light. The new deployment button is now active. Click it and give the deployment a clear name: Project Phoenix Production Migration. With the connection established, you're ready to deploy. Configuration Manager takes over, ensuring every custom field, workflow, and security level is mirrored perfectly on your target site. No manual rebuilds and no missing configurations. Just a secure, automated path from sandbox to production.